In this short video, I'm going to show you how to turn cross-references on and off, both permanently and temporarily. Here I am in the repertory module. You can see the closed book icon is highlighted. The reliable repertory is pictured in front of you here with all the picture icons. Now it's on this picture icon page, this main page, where you can make a permanent change to see cross-references all the time. When you're on this main page, you come over here to this eye icon, the one that says Change View Settings, when you hover your mouse over it, and you choose Cross-References and you hit OK. Now, once you've done that, you will see cross-references in all the repertories that have cross-references available and in every chapter as well. So here we are, I've turned them on, and all these blue links are the cross-references here in the Mind chapter. Let's go back to the picture icons. We'll go into another chapter. And again, you're seeing the cross-reference blue links here. And I'll go to another repertory, the Complete 23, and go into a chapter of that. You can see cross-references are turned on there. So when you turn on the cross-references, it doesn't matter which book you're on, but when you're on this picture icon page and you make the change here, then you will see cross-references in every book and in every chapter. Now let's say you don't want to see them all the time. They do take up a lot of room. And so I've turned them off, and I'm in the Mind chapter, and I decide, after looking through the rubrics, I come across Abashed, which has 0 remedies in it and no sub-rubrics. There's no plus sign next to it. Here's an instance where if I don't want the cross-references turned on all the time, I might want to turn them on temporarily just to see what's suggested instead of Abashed. So I'm going to come over here to this chapter. I'm within the Complete Repertory's Mind chapter. And you see the eye icon here, and it also says Change View Settings, but it's within the chapter. And I'm going to turn on cross-references, hit OK. Go back down to Abashed, and you see now I've got the choices of mind embarrassment, mind mortification, and so on. And I can choose one of these. I just click on it to take myself to that rubric, and then you can add it to your clipboard, hit the return or the enter key. So I'm finished with that, and now I'm going to go back to a different chapter. I'll go back up here to my breadcrumb string, click on that, and I'm going to go into the teeth chapter. You can see the cross-references are no longer here. But let's say I want to see what the cross-reference for black is, for teeth black. Come over here, turn them on again. Again, I'm within the chapter teeth. And I'm going to go pop down back to black. And now you can see the rubric you want is teeth, dark, black. Click on that rubric, are taken to it, and put it on your clipboard. So this, though, is temporary. I'm going to close this, and I'll go back to the reliable, the Mind chapter, and you can see those cross-references are not here, because it was a temporary change when you turn them on in the chapter. To get them on again permanently, I come to the picture page here and turn them on here. This is where they'll stay on. They'll be permanent. Okay, I hope this video has been helpful to you. Thanks so much.